Welcome friends. Let us continue to study heat engines on my YouTube channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. The topic included in today's lecture is numerical on heat engine. A heat engine working on cycle receives 100 kilojoule of heat and rejects 30 kilojoule of heat. Calculate net work done and efficiency of heat engine cycle. Now let us see what data they have given. Heat supplied to the system or to the cycle is equals to 100 kilojoule. Heat rejected by the cycle, that is QR, is equals to 30 kilojoule. And we have to calculate work done and efficiency. Now what is the equation of work done? So work done is equals to QS minus QR. QS is 100 kilojoule and QR is 30 kilojoule. So putting the value, we are going to get work done is equals to 70 kilojoule. Now next one is efficiency of heat engine cycle. So what is the equation of efficiency of heat engine cycle? Work done divided by heat supply. Work done we have just calculated, so it is 70. Heat supplied is 100 kilojoule, so it is 100. So efficiency is equals to 0.7 or that is equals to 70%. Let us study the another problem. A heat engine working on cycle produces the output of 30 kilojoule with efficiency of 75%. Calculate heat supplied to the heat engine cycle and heat rejected by the heat engine cycle. So now let us see what data they have given. A heat engine working on cycle produces output. So it gives us output. It means net output, or that is the work done by the cycle, that is equals to 30 kilojoule. And efficiency of that cycle is 75%. So that is efficiency is equal to 75% or it is equals to 0.75. Now we have to calculate the QS and QR, that is heat supplied and heat rejected. Right? Now let us see. So they have given us work done and efficiency. So what is the equation of efficiency? Let us see. So efficiency is equals to work done upon heat supply. Now we have efficiency, we have work done, so we can calculate the heat supply. Now write down or substitute the value of the data given. So that is 0.75 is equals to 30 divided by QS. So QS is equals to 40 kilojoule. So we have calculated the heat supplied. Now we have to calculate the heat rejected. Now what is the equation for heat rejected? Yeah, that is work done is equals to QS minus QR. Now we have got the QS. Work done is already given. So substitute the value. So work done is 30 is equals to 40 minus QR. So QR is equals to 10 kilojoule. Now let us study the another problem on heat engine. A scientist records that his heat engine develops 0.4 kilowatt when fuel having calorific value of 20,000 kilojoule per kg is burned at a rate of 0.00616 kilogram per minute. Calculate thermal efficiency of heat engine and heat rejected. So here they have given us the data and we have to calculate the efficiency and heat rejected. Now what data they have given? Let us see. Heat engine develops 0.4 kilowatt. Kilowatt, it is nothing but the power. So that is output. So here we can say that net output or work done, that is equals to 0.4 kilowatt. Now we know that kilowatt means kilojoule per second. Now calorific value is 20,000 kilojoule per kilogram. And mass of fuel burnt is 0.0016 kilogram per minute. And we have to calculate the efficiency. So what is the equation of efficiency? Work done upon heat supply. So work done they have given. What is heat supply? So heat supply can be calculated using these two values they have given. So heat supplied is equals to MF multiplied by CV, that is mass of fuel burnt multiplied by calorific value of that fuel. So QS is equals to 0.0016 multiplied by 20,000. So answer is 32 kilojoule per minute. You just check the unit of CV and MF, and kilogram cancel. So QS will be in kilojoule per minute. Now let us calculate the efficiency using this equation. So work done is 0.4 kilowatt, that is kilojoule per second, and heat supplied is 32 kilojoule per minute. Can we get the answer using this? No, we have to convert this 32 kilojoule per minute into kilojoule per second, and then we can go for the calculation. So let us convert. How we can convert? Yes, that is 0.4 in the numerator as it is, divided by 32 by 60 for converting the kilojoule per minute into kilojoule per second. Now calculating, we are going to get the efficiency, and that efficiency is 0.75, or we can say it is a 75%. Now we have to calculate the heat rejected. Now how to calculate the heat rejected? Yes, the equation is work done is equals to QS minus QR. QS we have already calculated, work done is given, so we can calculate the QR. Please don't make any hurry, because work done is given in kilojoule per second and QS is here kilojoule per minute. So we have to take care of units. So it is QR is equals to QS minus W, and that is equals to 32 by 60. It means we have converted kilojoule per minute into kilojoule per second, and work done is only in kilojoule per second. Now we can do the subtraction and we will get the correct answer. And that is equals to 0.133 kilojoule per second. Or if we have to write the answer in kilojoule per minute, then what we have to do? We have to multiply the answer by 60, and we are going to get the answer in kilojoule per minute. So that is equals to 8 kilojoule per minute. Kindly ask your any queries in the comment box. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.